Hello, second grade. I hope you enjoyed learning about how chicks are hatched and where chicks come from yesterday. And today we're going to do this again. So you guys know Tuesdays are vocabulary days. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to go back to the story about where chicks come from. And this time you're going to listen for vocabulary words and you are going to stop the video and write the definition down. Then you're going to go over to Classkick and put those definitions into Classkick. I'm going to tell you the words that you're listening for, so if you want to write that down, now will be a time to pause the video and get a piece of paper. The first word is albumin, A-L-B-U-M-E-N. Word number 2, fertilize, F-E-R-T-I-L-I-Z-E. Yolk, Y-O-L-K. And the last word is down, D-O-W-N. So listen to the story and write the meaning of the words as you come to them. Okay, second grade. And that's all we're going to do for reading today. We're going to hop right into math. Okay, here is what we're going to do today, second grade. So for the first part, I'm going to go through all 3 problems and you're just going to watch. And for the second part, you're going to do it, and at the end, I'm going to check them all, and you can make sure that you've done them correctly. Okay, awesome. So I want to remind you of the rhymes that we learned when we were at school. So when we're doing addition, if it's 10 or more, go next door. If it's under 9, you're doing fine. So we're going to talk through that while we're doing each problem. Okay, so we always start with the ones in every problem and go this way. So we're going to start with the ones. 6 plus 3 is 9. So if it's under 9, you're doing fine. I don't need to take anything next door. And then next we go to the tens place. 2 plus 1 is 3. I did not have to do any regrouping in that problem. Okay. The next problem is 129 plus 136. 9 plus 6 is 15. So it's 10 or more, go next door. So I'm going to take the number from the ones place, which is 5 from 15. And I'm going to take the 1 next door. So I have a 1 up here. So this now becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1 is 6. Then we go to the hundreds place. 1 plus 1 is 2. Second grade, and I want to draw your attention to this here is 6, so there's nothing for me to carry over because it's not more than 9. Okay, our last problem is 253 plus 651. So 3 plus 1 is 4. If it's under 9, we're doing fine, so I'm just going to write my 4 and move along. 5 plus 5 is 10. So it's more than 9, so 10 or more, so we're going to go next door. So if I have the number 10, a 1 and a 0, there's a 0 in the ones place. So I put a 0, and then I carry the 1 next door. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 904. Okay, second grade. So I want you to take a moment. You can pause the video if you need, and I want you to solve all of these problems. After you've solved them, you can play the video, and then we will check them together. Okay? Okay, great, second grade. So here we have a 9 and a 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. So we're going to take the 1, and 11 is more than 10, so we're going to go next door. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. So we have 111 for this one. Remember, I want you to be checking your work as we go along and make sure you did it correctly. And if you needed a little help, make sure you follow along so you can fix it. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. And 4 plus 6 is 10. Now, this is 10 or more, but can we carry next door? No. So we just write 10. So our answer is 1,053. Okay, on this last problem, 400 plus 353. 0 plus 3 is 5 plus 0 is 5, and 4 plus 3 is 7. All right, second grade. Okay, so head on over to Class Kick, and there are going to be some problems there for you to work out. Okay, have a great day. Bye.